Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the weather and time of day in Spider-Man 2. To begin, simply press the Options button on your controller to open the main menu. From there, you will navigate to the Settings menu. Within Settings, select the Gameplay section, and you will find the Time of Day option right at the top. This allows you to customize your New York City experience. You have a fantastic selection of 8 distinct time of day options to choose from. These include default, day, night, morning, sunrise, sunset, and dusk, each offering a unique visual feel for New York City. What's truly impressive is that these changes happen instantly, with no loading screens, allowing for seamless transitions as you explore. While there isn't a dedicated weather menu, you can introduce rain to the city by selecting the overcast option within the time of day settings. This specific setting is designed to bring a rainy atmosphere, adding a dramatic and moody feel to your web-slinging adventures. It's a simple yet effective way to change the environmental conditions. It's important to note that this environmental customization feature unlocks after you have successfully completed the main story campaign. You do not need to begin a new game plus playthrough to access these options. Once the story is finished, you can freely adjust the time of day and introduce rain whenever you wish, enhancing your post-game experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.